Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business, but felt overwhelmed by the tech, the time, or the cost? What if AI could make that first step a whole lot easier? Hi, I'm Cynthia, your AI-powered guide to the future of work. Today, let's explore how you can start a business using AI tools, even if you have zero tech skills or budget. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. AI can help you brainstorm business ideas that actually fit your skills, passions, and lifestyle. Tools like ChatGPT or Gemini can suggest dozens of options in seconds. You can even ask specific prompts like, "What small business could I start if I love coffee and crafts?" Or, "Which side hustles work best for busy parents?" And here's the best part. AI doesn't just give you random ideas. You can also ask it to help validate them. For example, it can summarize market trends, suggest target audiences, or point out common challenges, so you know which ideas are worth pursuing before you spend a cent. Once you've chosen your idea, it's time to give it a professional look. With AI design tools like Luca, you can create logos, color palettes, and even brand guidelines instantly. This means you can launch your business with branding and marketing that looks like it came from an experienced team, even if it's just you running things. And finally, let's make sure your business runs smoothly behind the scenes. AI-powered tools can take over repetitive, time-consuming tasks. Customer support? Use chatbots like Tidio to answer FAQs instantly, even while you sleep. Workflow? Tools like Zapier connect your apps so tasks happen automatically, like sending a thank you email every time someone makes a purchase. And for staying organized, Notion AI can draft to-do lists, summarize notes, and keep projects on track. So, what kind of business would you launch using AI? A side hustle, an online store, maybe a creative service? Drop your idea in the comments. I'd love to hear it. AI is making entrepreneurship more accessible than ever, and this is just the beginning. In our next video, I'll share the best free AI tools you can start using today to kick off your journey. Don't miss it!